If you've got $200,000 or more and you want 18% on your money and you want to be invested in Colombia, in Medellin, check this out. We can knock this whole house down and build up 10 stories. The cool part about it is that it's media mixtura zoning, which means that it can have a commercial unit at the bottom, for example, like a cafe, a barber shop, a little mini market, or whatever. Each of the 8 apartments, for example, would be about 100 square meters, and we're selling them for about 950 million Colombian pesos, which comes out to be roughly $250,000 to $300,000. And the penthouse on the top floor, well, that one will probably have a terrace up top. It'll probably be a 2-story penthouse, about 150 to 200 square meters, which is about 2,000 square feet. And that one will probably sell for around $500,000. You're probably asking yourself how fast we could sell those. Well, we haven't even started, and we already ran marketing on it, and we've got a list of 24 people interested in buying an apartment. You're probably also asking yourself, where are we? We're in Conquistadores. We're about 5-minute walk from Parques del Rio. We're also a 5-minute walk from barbershops, mini markets, Unicentro, the mall. And the great thing about this neighborhood is that it's safe, it's quiet. As you can see, we're on a side street, so you don't get any major traffic, but we're away from the major highway, so getting in and out is super easy, whether you're gonna live here, which would be awesome, or if you're gonna rent it out monthly. Another big question that investors have is, well, what kind of confidence do I have investing with you guys? Well, we're not doing this alone. We're doing this with our business partner and developer, John Hernandez. John has built many buildings in this same neighborhood, and on top of that, he's also done commercial buildings, including Viva Envigado, one of the biggest malls and the most famous mall in the area. If you've been to Medellin, you've probably been to Viva Envigado. Now let's talk about the investment. We currently only have 4 spots open for investors, and we're looking for $200,000 minimum. That money is used to purchase the land. You're probably asking, what's my security? What's the collateral? Well, you hold a primary mortgage on the property until you get paid back out. How much do you get paid out? 18% annually. If you'd like to be one of the core investors, there's a link in the description to a form. You fill it out, and then we get on a call with you. If you're not interested in being a core investor, but you're interested in seeing what an apartment like this looks like and maybe buying it, you can fill that same form out, and once we have the renders and all of the floor plans, we'll send them over to you.